So I'm here with Erin Witzel, and she's going to be showing us a new feature for website templates, which is a feature that's coming out soon, right?
Soon in the future. More immediately, we're going to have tickets. So ticket sites, when you make a new ticket event, you'll have a nicer default website. So when you're going through the wizard, we create a website for you. And the idea is that a lot of people are volunteers or don't have a lot of time or the know-how to go and make customized content and whatnot in their website. So we're trying to make it a lot easier, not a lot nicer, like the visuals and the components and everything that's on your website by default. So out of the gate, you have a nice looking site. You don't have to touch it if you don't want to. So that includes just design, but also dynamic content. Like if you have donations, we'll automatically put a donations thermometer onto your homepage. So we can take a look at what the current sites look like. Generally, we just have this single like text block. It doesn't really feature a lot of our new components that we have. So if we take an example of the new method, we're using some of our color blocks and rounded corners or borders. You can see it's a lot more fleshed out. Generally, you'll see that we have a newer layout, and we also are creating new pages so that you have, these components already on your website without having to do anything. So that's the general idea right now. Is we're going to have first tickets, then races. We'll have a new default website when you create a new site. So this means if you already have an existing site, this isn't going to apply to you at the moment. Down the line, we're going to have a couple more features where when you're going through the wizard, you actually have more than one option. So this is the first default that we have, but you can choose from, say, 3 different templates. So everyone's site can look different out of the gate. Again, like instead of everyone's site being the same, we're going to have banners being default banners being dynamic. So if you have a golf event, we'll choose one of like several images so that you don't have to create content, it'll be there for you, and everyone's site will be kind of unique. And then also we're planning to have for existing sites, if you're in the website builder, you can then choose, say, we're going to have content blocks. So we'll have predefined blocks where if you have an image and text, instead of going through and creating the 2 columns yourself, we'll have all those like preset things. So it'll look good, designed from our perspective where you don't have to think about what you're doing. We're going to create good things for you and you don't have to have a design eye or whatnot.
Well, thanks, Erin.
No,
Sounds
no
pretty cool.
problem. Yeah, it's exciting.